welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious cream of chicken soup. It's a continental recipe. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Let's go into the video. So first, let's see the ingredients. Today, I've taken about 1 kg of chicken. First, let's prepare the chicken stock. I've taken 2 onions which is chopped, about 10 garlic cloves which is crushed, a small piece of ginger which is crushed, about 3 carrots which is chopped roughly. Now take a pressure cooker. Let's add the chicken which is cleaned and washed. Also add the chopped onions, about 2 numbers. Next, let's add the garlic which is crushed, about 10 numbers. Now let's add the small piece of ginger which is crushed, and also add the carrots which is chopped. I've taken about 3 carrots. Today I'm making about 10 cups of soup. For that I'm adding about 2 liters of water. You can alter the stock according to your quantity. Now let's add sufficient salt and pepper. Now close the lid and let it cook for about 5 whistles till the chicken is nice and tender. Now after 5 whistles, you can see that the chicken is cooked well. Now strain it and keep it aside. Now let's make white sauce. For that we need 2 large onions which is chopped, 10 garlic cloves which is crushed, about 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and some butter. Now take a pan. Let's add the butter. Today I've added about 75 grams of butter. When the butter is melting, let's add the garlic which is crushed. Keep the flame in medium so that the butter does not get burnt. After adding the garlic, stir fry it. Next, let's add the chopped onions. I've taken about 2 large onions which is finely chopped, and stir fry it till the onions are nice and translucent. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of oregano. This gives a nice continental flavor to the soup. Now let's add the all-purpose flour or maida. I've taken about 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and stir it in the butter. Now I've taken about 1 liter of milk which is pre-boiled. Add it slowly into the butter and onion mixture and keep stirring it so that they do not form lumps. As soon as you add the milk, you can see that it becomes nice and creamy and thick. Keep the flame in medium and keep stirring it constantly so that they do not form lumps, and you get a nice creamy and silky texture. Now let's add sufficient salt, about 1 teaspoon of sugar, and about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. And keep mixing it till our white sauce is nice and thick. Now strain the chicken stock and add it little by little into the white sauce. and keep stirring so that there are no lumps. Keep the flame in medium and let the chicken stock and the white sauce mix together and become nice and thick. Debone the chicken pieces and add it to the chicken soup. Once it is ready, now let's debone it and add it to the soup. Now take about 2 tablespoons of cornflour, add a little water and make it into a cornflour slurry. Now let's add this cornflour slurry into the soup till we get the right consistency. This is a thick soup. Check the seasoning. That's it, friends. Our delicious cream of chicken soup is ready. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and serve it hot. Do try this wonderful recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.